Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my Glossybox for the month of March. Now I'll give it to Glossybox. They did send it out quickly because I got this like maybe 2 days ago. So yeah, I'm kind of hype about that. But yeah, so before we get into it, make sure you subscribe. I can't believe how many people have subscribed. OMG, I remember when I had 0. Now I have more than 0. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and everyone else needs to press it. Press it. You see it. There's a button there. Press it. Press it. Press it. Subscribe. All right, I gotta make this quick because my battery's dying, of course, and I just came from work. So let's get into it. This is Glossybox. It's $21 a month, which is quite pricey if you ask me. But yeah, let's get into what we got this month. So, first thing I see here is this Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfecting HD Matte Veil. So it looks like it's a primer, like a matte primer. I've never heard of this brand. Let's take a look at the pamphlet to see how much it's worth. Oh my god, this is $35. Like $35. That's like on Becca status. So hopefully it's good. I've never tried it, but we'll see. Next thing I see, I already hate. It's a hair thing. It says multitask 3-in-1 leave-in lotion. This perfector will detangle, soften, and refresh your look in one go. I don't like hair products, especially when they're not like catered to black hair. But that's just me. It says spray on hair or press lightly to pump onto hand. And it says apply liberally to wet hair. Like, see, I only wash my hair like once every 2 weeks, so something like this is not going to be good for me. This is for people who wash their hair every day, which is not black people. So yeah, I mean, this pass. Let's see. We got this nail polish. This is Morgan Taylor. Oh, and the price of the price of this is $32 for full size, which is 12 ounces. But this one's only 1 ounce, so that's like a travel size. This is a Morgan Taylor nail polish. The color is Can We Dance? I mean, pink nail polish. You can't go wrong with this. This is very springy, summery, so I'm not mad at that. Cost is $9.50. Next I got this jumbo eye pencil from Dr. Brie Beauté. Oh, never heard of it. So yeah, so this is in the shade. What's the shade? It just says Pearly Eyeshadow Pencil, Paris. This is, it's, I guess Bubble 07 is and the price of this is $18. So let's go ahead and do a swatch. Ooh, pretty. Okay. I'm not mad at this. I don't usually use pencils, jumbo eye pencils, but I will use this. It's very pretty. This next thing I got is a Cover FX Perfect Pencil Crayon. It says Perfect Pencil Concealer. It says used to define the lip and eyebrow arches and conceal trouble spots in an instant. So this is it. The price is $20. This is full size. So I'm like speeding through this before my battery dies. So looks like they got the shade pretty good for me. If this is supposed to be a concealer. I mean, this is a little orange for me. Yeah, so I don't know. It says use it for your lip too. It's kind of almost perfect to my skin tone. Only a little more orangey. So I don't know. I'm sure I'll use it for something. Yeah, and it looks like it's full size. So that's good. This is the Cover FX. Now, this last item, I know for a fact that I have gotten this before. So I don't know. A little gift from us. Try one of our glossy faves. So I guess this is just a throw-in, an extra throw-in. It says plus an extra product in your box this month. Enjoy a little gift from us. Oh, I was about to say, because if they were trying to say that this is like one of the items for the month, because I definitely already got this. Like, I think I got this in August or something. The exact same mask. And I'm like trying to find it. I literally, like, because I would have never bought this because I'm not into, I don't know where it is. But I just, oh, here it is. Here it is. I found it. Look at this. They gave me this in, oh God, my wig hair is on there. I'm like, they gave me this before. I was about to start snapping and calling customer service, but okay, so they gave you 5 things and then an extra. Because I was about to say, I need answers, Glossybox. I need answers, and if I don't like the answers, I'm canceling. But, I mean, overall, this box was pretty good. I like the primer. I've never tried it, but I would like to try a primer, and primers are expensive. I like this pencil. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. This pencil, yeah. I mean, obviously you can always use this, or you can always like give it to a friend or whatever. But I thought they were trying to say this was an item of the month because I'm like, they gave me this before. They have given me this before. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one to my girlfriend since I already have this one, which clearly is still full. I don't have the patience to wait for clay to dry. I really don't. Like, I like the peel off mask where you peel at this. You got to like wait for it to dry, wash it. Like, that's just doing too much. So anyway, so yeah, that's what I got in my Glossybox this month. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you got in your Glossybox. I'm really curious to see if everyone gets the same thing or if it's personalized. So yeah, make sure you leave a comment and subscribe. Till the next video, bye.